Imagine discovering a project before the majority of players even enter the game. What if the biggest opportunity wasn't hidden inside the game itself, but in the very first campaign leading up to its launch? That's exactly why so many people in the Web3 gaming community are paying close attention to Frost Kingdom's Genesis Box Launchpad. But if you've been scrolling through social media, you've probably seen confusing terms like Genesis Box, RDIA, Launchpad, Progressive Jackpot Pool, and maybe even tokenomics without fully understanding what any of them actually mean. Should you participate? How does it work? What do you actually receive? And most importantly, is this simply another blockchain promotion, or is it the beginning of something much bigger? In today's video, we're going to answer all of those questions in clear and simple language. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what the Genesis Box campaign is, how the Launchpad works, why RDI is important, what makes a progressive jackpot pool unique, and what you should know before making any decision. So stay with me until the end, because understanding the project first is always more valuable than following hype. Let's dive in. Part 1. Understanding Frost Kingdom. Before we talk about Genesis Boxes, it's important to understand the project behind them. Frost Kingdom isn't designed to be just another blockchain token or a short-term crypto trend. Instead, it's a Web3 strategy gaming ecosystem that combines immersive gameplay with blockchain technology. Traditional games allow players to spend countless hours collecting items that usually remain locked inside the game. Web3 gaming introduces a different concept by giving digital assets a larger role within the ecosystem. Rather than focusing only on entertainment, Frost Kingdom aims to build a community where players, digital ownership, and long-term ecosystem development work together. This is one of the biggest reasons why early campaigns like the Genesis Box have attracted so much attention. Because for many blockchain projects, the first supporters often become part of the ecosystem long before the public release. Part 2. What exactly is a Genesis Box? Now let's talk about the centerpiece of this campaign, the Genesis Box. The word Genesis literally means a beginning or the origin. That name isn't random. These boxes represent one of the earliest opportunities for supporters to become involved in the Frost Kingdom ecosystem before the game reaches a wider audience. Think of it like receiving an early access invitation. Instead of waiting until everything is fully released, participants can join during the project's initial phase. According to the official campaign, every Genesis Box includes a guaranteed allocation of RDIA, while additional rewards may also be available depending on the campaign's official rules and mechanics. That means the Genesis Box isn't simply a mystery package. It's designed as an entry point into the Frost Kingdom ecosystem. Historically, many successful blockchain gaming projects have rewarded early community participation in different ways. Of course, every project is different and no future outcome is guaranteed, but this explains why launch campaigns often generate excitement across the Web3 space. Part 3. Why RDIA matters. Let's move on to another important topic, RDIA. You'll notice that RDIA is mentioned throughout the campaign because it's one of the key digital assets connected to Frost Kingdom. Every Genesis Box includes a guaranteed RDIA allocation based on the campaign terms. Instead of thinking about RDIA as just another cryptocurrency, it's better to view it as an important component of the game's broader ecosystem. As Frost Kingdom continues to develop, assets like RDIA are intended to support participation, interaction, and ecosystem activities. That's why understanding RDIA before joining the campaign is essential. Whenever you're evaluating any blockchain project, take time to learn what its digital assets are designed to do instead of simply following market excitement. Knowledge always creates better decisions than speculation. Part 4. How the official Launchpad works. Now let's discuss where everything actually happens. The Genesis Box campaign is hosted through the official Launchpad. This is a platform where eligible participants can safely take part in the campaign. The process is fairly straightforward. First, visit the official Launchpad website. Next, connect a compatible crypto wallet. After that, carefully review every campaign detail, including eligibility, allocation information, and participation requirements. If you decide the campaign aligns with your own research, you can choose a number of Genesis Boxes you want. Finally, approve the blockchain transaction through your wallet. Once the transaction is successfully completed, your Genesis Boxes are linked to your wallet according to the campaign process. One of the most important security tips is this. Always verify that you're using the official website before signing any blockchain transaction. Fake websites often imitate legitimate platforms, and a single mistake can put your digital assets at risk. Taking an extra minute to verify the official link can save you from costly scams. Part 7. Is this campaign right for you? Now comes the question everyone asks. Should you participate? The answer depends entirely on your personal goals and your comfort with risk. If you're someone who enjoys exploring emerging Web3 games, learning about blockchain ecosystems, and become involved in projects from the beginning, then the Genesis Box campaign may be something worth researching further. However, if you're looking for guaranteed profits or completely risk-free investments, it's important to recognize that blockchain projects don't work that way. Every crypto-related project carries uncertainty. Markets fluctuate. Development schedules can change. User adoption may grow or slow down. That's why responsible participation always begins with education rather than emotion. Only make decisions after understanding the project and determining whether it aligns with your own research and financial situation. Part 8. Final thoughts. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered today. The Genesis Box offers an opportunity for early supporters to enter the Frost Kingdom ecosystem before its broader launch. Each Genesis Box includes a guaranteed RDIA allocation according to the official campaign. The Launchpad serves as the official platform for participation. The progressive jackpot pool adds another layer of excitement for eligible participants based on campaign mechanics. And perhaps most importantly, understanding tokenomics, the roadmap, and the overall ecosystem helps you make informed decisions instead of emotional ones. Whether you're completely new to blockchain gaming or already experienced in Web3, one lesson always remains true. The best investment you can make is investing time in understanding the project first. The more informed you are, the more confident your decisions will become. If you found this breakdown helpful and learned something new about Frost Kingdom and the Genesis Box campaign, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos covering the latest Web3 games, blockchain ecosystems, crypto launches, and emerging opportunities. I'd also love to hear your opinion. Are you planning to explore the Frost Kingdom Genesis Box campaign, or are you waiting for the full game launch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective and continue the discussion. As always, remember to verify official information, do your own research, and never make decisions based solely on online hype. Thanks so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.